I'm Michelangelo, and I painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel.
I'm William Shakespeare, and I've written over 130 songs.
I'm not going to be able to do this.
I know.
I don't even know my freaking name.
I'm Leonardo da Vinci, and I painted the Mona Lisa.
I'm Donatello, and I sculpted David.
Excuse me, sir. Can I please buy one of your pieces?
Well, this is my newest one, but it's not quite done yet.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. I worked really hard, but I'm not done yet, so I'll be sure to let you know when it is.
Thank you.
Ew. I hate Michelangelo.
Wish I could paint.
So stupid. Look at him paint.
It's done. I must tell Mother.
If you tell anyone of this, I'll curse your name.
Thanks, Mom.
My painting! No!
William, have you seen my painting? No. Okay, thanks anyway. How am I going to do this?
To find the masterpiece Michelangelo has made, underneath the candle, shade.
I know where it is! I know where it is! Oh! Copernicus! I know where it is! No, where what is?
My masterpiece, read it.
Well, that's a nice poem.
Could you help me find it?
Of course I will!
What do we do?
We must follow the stars, because that's what I do best. Okay?
What happens next? It was a wonderful movie filled with hot, sexy men.
Oh my god!
William, have you seen my painting?
Because that, you can see the painting.
It's on.
That's perfect. I loved every second of it.
Are you filming? Okay, ready? Come on, we're gonna do this now. Lizzie, no more. It's done.
Is it done?
Are you really zoomed in on this?
Back it up, girl.
There's a wonderful...
Lizzie, there's no service down in my basement.
No, I'm so sorry. Just keeps shutting off. I'm so crying.
I believe you're wearing the 3D
I'm
glasses.
sorry.
Look at him!
Alright, come on, go!
Excuse me, sir. Can I please buy one of your pieces?
Well, yes, this is my newest one, but it's not quite done yet!
Ready? Ready?
Can I please be like this?
It's not.
What's your person's name so I can say it? I hate both of you. William, have you seen my painting? Oh, it took me over a while.
Please, Mom.